how to fix sounds not available on your Instagram downloaded reels after downloading the video. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can fix the sounds not available on your Instagram reels after you download the video. So what you can do is simply head over to the Instagram application. So once you open your Instagram application, simply head over to your profile section, and let me just show you an example by posting a reel. Let's say I selected this video as a reel, and I have also added a music by clicking on this audio option. And as you can see, what I can do now is, you can see the save button over here. You can't actually save it to your gallery, but you can save it to a camera roll like this. But as you can see, you can still save a video, but the music will be removed. So that's the problem situation we are in. So to fix this issue, what you can do is actually post this video with this music as a reel. So let me just do this. Let me just show you the music by playing it. As you can see, the music is being played. So simply post the video like this, simply post the reels, and once your reels is posted, just wait for some time. And once your reel is posted, what you can do is simply, you can't still download it directly. What you can do is simply click on share button and just click on add to story like this. And from over here, what you can do is make sure you adjust your video just like according to your choice, and simply click on this three dot icon over here and then click on save. And what this does is it will download your video with the audio as well. So let me just show you by going over to my gallery. As you can see, this is my downloaded video. So let me just play it. So you've heard it. So that is it guys. That is exactly how you do that. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.